Namaskar. Myself, Dr. Sushil Kumar Yadav, Assistant Professor, Department of Chemistry, Government Dungar College, Bikaner. Today, we discuss the topic of aromaticity from the class BSc Part 1st, Organic Chemistry, Unit 1st. Today's my content of aromaticity is: first one, what do you mean by aromaticity? Second is criteria for aromaticity. Third point is difference between the aromatic, anti-aromatic and non-aromatic. And the last one is aromatic heterocyclic compounds. First topic we discuss, that is, what is aromaticity? Aromaticity is defined as a property of the conjugated cycloalkanes which enhance the stabilization of a molecule due to its ability the electron present in the pi orbitals for the purpose of delocalization. The aromatic molecules are said to be very stable and they do not break so easily and also reacts with other types of substance. The organic compounds which are not said to be aromatic are known as aliphatic compound. These might be in cyclic form, but only the aromatic rings have a special kind of stability. Means प्रारंभिक में जो एरोमेटिक था, जिसे एरोमेटिसिटी कहते हैं, शब्द का प्रयोग उन समस्त यौगिकों के गुणों की व्याख्या करने में किया जाता था जिनके बेंजीन जैसे गुण हैं, अर्थात वे समस्त यौगिक एरोमेटिक कहलाते थे जिनमें बेंजीन वलय अथवा उसका संघनित यानी जिसे कंडेंस सिस्टम विद्यमान हो। यानी एरोमेटिक यौगिक केवल बेंजीन वलय अर्थात बेंजीनॉइड ही नहीं होते, वरन बिना बेंजीन वलय के अर्थात नॉन बेंजीनॉइड भी होते हैं। अतः हम इन समस्त यौगिकों को एरोमेटिक कंपाउंड कहते हैं। सेकेंड टॉपिक इज द क्राइटेरिया फॉर एरोमेटिसिटी। एरोमेटिकता का निर्धारण करने के लिए 4 नियमों का पालन किया गया है। दैट मीन्स द 4 स्ट्रक्चरल क्राइटेरिया मस्ट बी satisfied for a compound to be aromatic. A molecule, first one, a molecule must be acyclic. For example, in benzene, every p orbital overlaps with 2 neighboring p orbitals, which is known as aromatic. Second point is a molecule must be completely conjugated. Means aromatic compound must have a p orbital on every atom. For the example, in first structure a benzene in which a p orbital on every carbon, which is a completely conjugated ring, is known as aromatic. In the second structure, which is known as 1,3-cyclohexadiene, these rings are not completely conjugated. It means no p orbitals, which is known as not aromatic compound. And the third structure, which is known as 1,3,5-cyclohexadiene, these rings are also not completely conjugated because they have no p orbitals. This is also known as non-aromatic. Third rule is a molecule must be a planar. Means all adjacent p orbitals must be aligned so that the pi electron density can be delocalized. These are the structures, are the examples. First one, cyclooctatetraene, which is not aromatic, which is not planar. Second, a turf-shaped 8-member ring, which is also not the aromatic compound, which shown adjacent p orbital cannot overlap, electron cannot delocalize. So the molecule must be in planar shape. The fourth one, the most important, is a molecule must satisfy Huckel rules, means 4n plus 2 pi electron rule, and contain a particular number of pi electron. The rule of Huckel is an aromatic compound must contain 4n plus 2 pi electron, where the value of n is equal to 0, 1, 2 and so on, and the cyclic, planar and completely conjugated compound that contain 4n plus pi electrons are spatially unstable and are said to be anti-aromatic. यानी हक्कल ने एरोमेटिकता से संबंधित एक बहुत ही महत्वपूर्ण नियम दिया जिसे हक्कल नियम या 4n+2 नियम कहा जाता है। इस नियम के अनुसार किसी समतल चक्रीय यानी प्लेनर साइक्लिक यौगिक में एरोमेटिक स्थायित्व एरोमेटिक स्टेबिलिटी अथवा उच्च विस्थानीकरण ऊर्जा जिसे हाई डीलोकलाइजेशन एनर्जी अथवा उच्च अनुनाद ऊर्जा जिसे हाई रेजोनेंस एनर्जी कहा जाता है तब तक नहीं हो सकती जब तक उसके चक्र या वलय में 4n+2 पाई इलेक्ट्रॉन नहीं हो जाते। यानी हम कह सकते हैं कि किसी भी समतल चक्रीय यौगिक में यदि 4n+2 पाई इलेक्ट्रॉन विद्यमान हो तो वह यौगिक एरोमेटिक व्यवहार प्रदर्शित करेगा। अतः यदि किसी अणु की समतलीय वलय में 2 यानी n=0, 6 यानी n=1, 10 यानी n=2 आदि पाई इलेक्ट्रॉन विद्यमान हो तो वह यौगिक एक एरोमेटिक यौगिक की भांति व्यवहार करेगा। जिस तरह फॉर एग्जाम्पल बेंजीन इज एरोमेटिक विच इज शोन इन द फिगर, especially stable because it contains 6 pi electrons n=1, and the second structure is cyclobutadiene which is anti-aromatic and especially unstable because it contains 4 pi electron which is the example of anti-aromatic compound. Next topic is considering aromaticity. A compound can be classified in one of three ways. First one aromatic, second anti-aromatic, and the third one is not aromatic which is known as non-aromatic compound. First aromatic is cyclic planar completely conjugated compound with 4n+2 pi electron which is known as Huckel rule, which obey the Huckel rule is known as aromatic compound. Second is anti-aromatic compound, means a cyclic planar completely conjugated compound with 4n pi electrons is known as anti-aromatic compound. And the third one is non-aromatic compound, means a compound that's lack one or more of the following requirement for aromaticity, being cyclic, planar and completely conjugated is known as non-aromatic compound. The relation between each compound type and a similar open chain molecule having the same number of pi electron. In the first example between the structure benzene and 1,3,5-hexatriene, benzene is more stable because an aromatic compound is more stable than a similar acyclic compound having the same number of pi electron. Benzene is more stable than the 1,3,5-hexatriene. The second example in between the cyclobutadiene and 1,3-butadiene, an anti-aromatic compound is less stable than the acyclic compound having the same number of pi electron. So cyclobutadiene is less stable than the 1,3,5-butadiene. And the third example is 1,3-cyclohexadiene and 6,6,2,4-hexadiene, in which a compound that is not aromatic is similar in stability to an acyclic compound having the same number of pi electron. 1,3-cyclohexadiene is similar in stability to 6,6,2,4-hexadiene, so it is not aromatic compound. Last topic is aromatic heterocyclic compound. These are the examples of the aromatic heterocyclic compounds, which is pyridine, pyrrole, furane and thiophene. First example we are taking the pyridine, a 6-membered heterocyclic with a nitrogen atom in its ring. Pi electron structures resembles benzene, which having the 6 electrons. The nitrogen having lone pair electron are not part the aromatic structure, which is perpendicular to the orbital. Second example is pyrrole, which is a 5-membered heterocyclic with 1 nitrogen. The pi electron system similar to that of cyclopentadiene anion, which having the nitrogen atom is sp2 hybridized and lone pair of electrons occupies a p orbital which having the 6 pi electron. And the same example is furane and thymine having the same rules following. The relation between each compound type and a similar open chain molecule having the same number of pi electron. In the first example between the structure benzene and 1,3,5-hexatriene, benzene is more stable because an aromatic compound is more stable than a similar acyclic compound having the same number of pi electron. Benzene is more stable than the 135 hexatriene. The second example in between the cyclobutadiene and 1,3-butadiene, an anti-aromatic compound is less stable than the acyclic compound having the same number of pi electron. So cyclobutadiene is less stable than the. Next example is 10 annulenes has 10 pi electron which satisfies Huckel rule, but a planar molecule would place the two H hydrogen atoms inside the rings too close to each other, thus the ring puckers to relieve the cysteine. Since 10 annulenes is not planar, the 10 pi electrons cannot delocalize over the entire ring and it is not an aromatic compound. Thank you very much.